So today I have another package. This will be the start to my part 2 January collective haul, so I'm just going to get straight into it.
Okay, so I'll just take the contents out. So these are the things that I received. I'll go through each one individually. So I'll start with these. So I got these two Nature Republic oil sheets, and of course I got it with Lay's picture on it. So yeah, I'll open them so you guys know what it looks like inside. And this is just the back of the packaging, by the way. So this is what it looks like. If I shine it in the light, as you can see, his signature is embossed here very lightly. But it's super cute. It's plain on the back. And to open this, I think you just go like this, and you take out the oil paper, and there's also a mirror, but you know. So yeah. Next, I have this EXO Melody Fairy note, and of course I got Lay again. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's around the size of my hand. So yeah, and it has his cartoon on it. This is just what the back looks like, and it includes a photo card type of thing. So yeah, I'll just open it to show you guys. So the front looks exactly the same, and the back looks like this. There's a really cute cartoon of him. The pages just have little Lay and lined pages on the other side. So yeah, it's super cute. And then the photo card looks like this. It's glossy, and it has his little cartoon in it again with his name. And this is the other side. Super cute. I actually got another set of this coming in the mail, so yeah, I don't know why. I also have some more merch coming from this line actually, so I'm super excited about that. So yeah, last but not least, I have these two balls. They look really funny, but I'll open one of them to show you guys. So it's basically this keyring. It's a lucky draw one. So I think it was from, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what it's from. But it was super cute, and there was an opportunity to choose the member, so I decided to get J-Hope, of course, since it's my bias. So yeah, it just looks like this. So this is what it looks like without the plastic wrap, but he looks super cute. And I bought two of these because they were the last two. So yeah, those were all the items I got today. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hi guys, so today I received two packages. I know what this is, but I have no idea what this is, so I'm going to be opening this first. So yeah.
Oh! Okay, I know what this is. This is my little K-pop town package. I used a different box, so I was really confused. So yeah, I'll just take everything out now. So these were the things I got. I'll just open each package one by one. So for the first package, I just got the newest Nature Republic standee of Lay. So yeah. And then for this one, I got two more of those lucky draw balls. So let's just see who I got. So these were the two that I got. I got a Jimin one and a group one. So these are from the third muster. So yeah, these aren't actually for me. I bought them for something in the future, like I've mentioned a couple of times. So yeah. So I also bought some more of the Melody Fairy goods from Kpop Town. So this is the first one. It's the badge, and of course I got Lay. So yeah, super cute. Next, I got the keyring. Super cute once again. I really like this line of goods that SM produced. So yeah, really cute. Last but not least, I got 3 of these J-Hope pens, I think from the muster again, and they were illustrated by Jungkook, so yeah, super cute. Again, I won't be keeping all 3 of them, just 1, and 2 are for something in the future, so yeah. On to the second package, which is a lot bigger. Yeah, I'm very excited about this package as well. So first of all, I got these two freebies, so the Nature Republic version 4 card of Suho, and this kind of glittery, it looks like it's hand drawn, get a card of the light. So yeah. And then these are the items I got. So first of all, I just got another one of these notes. I showed you guys what it looks like in the other one. So yeah. Next, I have this pin, and it says EXO song Don't Go. This is one of my favourite songs, and the pin's super pretty, so I decided to get it. And then I got these two sets of hydrogen mask sheets from the most recent promotions for Nature Republic. And yeah, so this is the back of one of the boxes. It just has the mask information. And yeah, I'm just gonna open it now. So these are the contents, really super pretty, I really like it. I bought two so I could keep one and then use this for the something in the future thing. So yeah, I'm super excited. Each member has a different flavour. So yeah, the group one is aloe, Chanyeol's is pomegranate, Suho is chamomile, Chumin's is manuka honey, Lay's is green tea, Dio is shea butter, Kai is argan, Chen is kakadu plum, I don't really know how to pronounce that, Sehun is grapefruit, and Baekhyun is green grape. So these were all the things I received today. I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Hey guys, so today I have two packages, so I'm just going to get started. I'll open this one first.
They're the same set, I'm pretty sure. This is just what they look like from the Lucky One photo shoots, I'm pretty sure. And as you could probably tell from the background of when I was showing the freebies, I got 2 copies of Lay's solo album, Lose Control. This isn't actually for me though, it's for the Something in the Future, so I'm very excited for that. So yeah, that's just what I got for the first package. Now into the second one. I'm very excited about this as well. So I got these as freebies. So I got Chen, Dio, Kai, and Suho. Yeah, this is just the back. So I got 4 of these Nature Republic notebooks. I'll be keeping 2, and then 2 will be for the future thing, like I mentioned before. But yeah, they have really cute doodles on them. This is just the front. That was actually the back before, but this is the front, but they look exactly the same. So yeah, I'll just open one so you guys can see what it looks like inside. So the cover is matte, and the inside is just plain. It also comes with a sheet of stickers, so yeah. I also received this as a freebie, which is super nice. I think it's the postcard set. So I got 5 XOK members. It's missing Dio from XOK, but with the other 3 members, I'm not quite sure. So yeah, but they look super nice, and the backs are just plain. Okay, so I was totally dumb, but they definitely did include Dio. He was just hiding. But yeah, that's all I got for today, and I'll see you in the next clip.
Today I have 2 packages, so I'll just open the small one first. So sadly, as you can see, it was already open when I got it. But hopefully the cards came in good condition.
So this is the set I got, Moonbin's full set for Autumn Story. And although they didn't come in a top loader or anything protective besides bubble wrap, it came in pretty good condition, unlike Mingy sadly. But I'll just go through them now. So first are his 2 little ID pictures. There's a smiling version and a non-smiling version, and the back just has Astro printed on it. Next I have these 4 photo cards. I'll be going through them from left to right. So first is this photo card. It's super cute. The only damage is that it's a little bit bent here, but I'm sure I can straighten him out. So yeah, he looks super cute. This is the back. Next is this one of him smiling and laying on a pillow. And this is just the back, this time with an orange background. Next there is this horizontal version of him reading a book, and the back is orange again. And the last one, no smiling or anything, but he still looks super good, and the back is red. So this is the first thing. I'm assuming in every version there's 2 photo cards and then one of the ID pictures. So yeah, I got the full set. Now to the next package. So these were the photo cards I got. I'll go through each of them now. So the first 2 are of Minghao. So I've completed his set for Ajunice finally. Took me a while. I'm still waiting for Wonwoo set, and I'll think about Mingy. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks super good. And of course his sign on the back. Next I have Lay's Lose Control. I call this Type A, but it's just the other version of the photo card that I already have. So yeah, I got this so I could complete his Lose Control set. So that's 2 sets completed today. And this is just the back. I also got a free photo card of Baekhyun from XOXO, so his XOXO ID card. And this is just the other side.
So these were all the things I received today. I'll see you guys in the next clip.